video regarding community health nursing in 4th paper. Okay, here the topic is the Millennium Development Goals. Okay, Millennium Development Goals. It is a one topic under the first unit of community health nursing. The unit name is the Introduction to Community. Okay, what are the goals is there? Millennium Development Goals, nothing but for development. Okay, for development, what is the goals we are forming? Okay, for development of health of the society, what are the goals we have to plan and how to reach, how to fulfill that particular goals. Okay, Millennium Development Goals ante Sahasra Abhivruddhi antam. Okay, the goals are the when the goals is started means in the year of September 2000. Okay, during the September 2000 the goals will be started from the representative 189 countries. Okay, in the fusion of 189 countries, the goals will be formed in the Millennium Summit at New York. Okay, the 189 countries will be participated, or they are form a one network like for meeting, and they are fulfilling that goals. Okay, for development of health. ఓకే, ఈ యొక్క 189 కంట్రీస్తో ఈ మిలీనియం డెవలప్మెంట్ గోల్స్ అనేవి ఉన్నాయన్నమాట, ఫామ్ అయినాయి. ఈ గోల్స్లో ఏంటిది మెయిన్ది అని అంటే మిలీనియం సమితి. ఓకే, ఎక్కడ ఉంది మిలీనియం సమితి అని అంటే న్యూయార్క్లో ఉంది. ఓకేనా, ఇన్ దిస్ ద అడాప్టెడ్ ద యునైటెడ్ నేషన్స్ మిలీనియం డిక్లరేషన్. Okay, United Nations, where national level or international levels, or what is the scheme it will be started means United Nations. Okay, by United Nations the millennium goals will be declared. Okay, in these 8 goals will be there mainly. Okay, goal 1. In this goal 1, what happens from the first to 8 we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, in goal number 1 or first goal, what it deals. Okay, the 189 countries fusion and they are meet, they are give some they are form some goals regarding development of health of the people. Okay, what type of goals will be there means in first goal, that is the eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Okay, eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Okay na, in extreme poverty, what is the reason why the extreme poverty will be there in the society? Poverty ante పేదరికం కదా. ఓకే, ఈ extreme poverty అనేది ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? What is the reason? Means due to the number of population will be increased. Okay, for example in a family, okay, the family size will be big, means family numbers will be increased. Okay, or the total number of family will be many members is there. Okay, but the income resources, okay, what are the income sources there? The income source will be very less. Okay, then the family may be prone to get poverty. Okay, what type of extreme poverty means? Extreme poverty people, they do not fulfill their basic needs. Okay, family lo family numbers అనేది 10 to 15, 15 to 20 or 10 to 15 like that, the number of size will be increased. Okay, the employment or the whatever it may be, the occasional status or the income resources will be very less. Per capita income also less. Okay, in 10 members, 8 to 10 members is there, only one family head of the number, the per capita only getting some money by doing some employment or the agriculture, whatever it may be, the resource or the income source will be very less. Okay, but expenditure is more. ఓకే, ఖర్చు ఎక్కువగా ఉండి ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఎక్కువగా ఉండి వచ్చేటటువంటి ఇన్కమ్ అనేది తక్కువగా ఉంటే అప్పుడు ఆ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఏమవుతుంది, పావర్టీ అనేది అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయొచ్చు మనం. ఓకేనా. డ్యూ టు ద పావర్టీ ద పీపుల్ డు నాట్ అచీవ్ దైర్ గోల్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద పేరెంట్స్ హ్యావ్ వన్ డిజైర్, okay, we are going to give good education to my childrens, okay, we are going to join corporate schools or some what is central public schools or whatever it may be, state public schools or private institutions. Okay, they are having one desire, okay, we are going to give the quality of education to my childrens, but the parents do not fulfill their desire. Why? Because due to the low socio-economical status, or sometimes the family members or the number of children will be more. Okay, sometimes in a common reason in the family we are observed, what is that, the first number, second number, third number, fourth number, the number of kids will be females. Okay, the parents have one desire, what is that means, they want son. Okay, but the God not give for fulfilling their desire, they are having a number of children as like females. ఓకే, వాళ్ళు ఒక ఏంటిది కొడుకు పైన ఒక అభిమానం పెట్టుకొని డాటర్స్ని వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటారనమాట, సరి అయినటువంటి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇవ్వలేకపోతారు. ఓకే, దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ వన్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఫర్ దే హ్యావ్ వన్ సన్ బట్ ద గాడ్ నాట్ గివ్. Sometimes the parents have, we have one daughter, we have one daughter, no more sons, no more sons, like that they are having. Okay, they are not interested, they are not agree for family planning. Okay, like that means due to some reasons the family number will be increased, the family income will be less, then the family prone to get poverty. Okay, the family do not fulfill their basic needs, or what is that, education or whatever it may be, quality of life they lose. Okay, quality of life ని ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేసుకోవడానికి వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సినటువంటి హెల్త్ రిసోర్సెస్ ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేయడానికి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర అమౌంట్ ఉండదు. వై? బికాస్ లెస్ ఎకనామికల్ స్టేటస్, నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యామిలీ సైజ్ విల్ బి ఇంక్రీజ్డ్. Okay, this is the first reason. Here what we have to do, okay, in this where the poverty people will be there, okay, the poverty people will be identified by the healthcare personals. Okay, we are give alternate education, okay, or alternative measures for fulfilling their needs. For example, the government gives some scholarship to the people who is the low economical status, okay, for fulfilling their quality of education to their children. Okay, quality of education ని చిల్డ్రన్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడానికి ఏం చేస్తుంది, ప్రైవేట్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్లో కూడా స్కాలర్షిప్ని, ఫీజ్ రియంబర్స్మెంట్ని ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే, లైక్ దట్. ఆర్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ సమ్ గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్స్ విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ హాస్టల్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ అండ్ ఫుడ్ ఫెసిలిటీస్. Okay, like that the alternate education we are provide, alternate information we are give to the parents or the children or the community people for fulfilling their basic needs, for reducing their poverty and hunger. Okay, this is the first goal. Next, second goal in this, especially in eradication of extreme poverty, in this first they are focused on the underweight children. Okay, why? What is the reason underweight of the children means, the in pregnant state, antenatal period, the mother do not take any good nutritive values food. Okay, she is doing more hard work, but she is not take any sufficient food in the period of antenatal period. Okay, that is why the children may be lose their normal weight. Okay, the child is become in the old underweight. Sometimes the mother is eating, fulfilling their basic needs, and she is active, she is taking good rest, but the children also underweight because some of the structural problems, structural abnormalities in the maternal side or fetal side. That's why also the mother, the children may have underweight. ఓకే, బరువు తక్కువ పుట్టినటువంటి చిల్డ్రన్స్ పైన ఎక్కువ ఫోకస్ చేసి వాళ్ళ యొక్క వెయిట్ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయడానికి ఈ యొక్క ఫస్ట్ గోల్ అనమాట. ఓకే, సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఇన్ అండర్ వెయిట్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ద కేఎంస్, kangaroo mother care. Okay, by providing kangaroo mother care and we are giving some special nutrition to the mother, she is give breastfeeding to their children. Okay, the child will be improves their weight. Okay, first method for improving their weight, KMC, kangaroo mother care. Okay, next we are providing the good nutritious diet to the mother. Okay, next especially they are focused on the under 5 years of age. Okay, in under 5 years of age group, the mother will be this miscellaneous goals will be focused. Okay, especially how many members is there in the particular community below 5 years of age group children. Okay, 5 సంవత్సరాల లోపు ఉన్నటువంటి చిల్డ్రన్స్ని కౌంట్ చేసి వాళ్ళని ఫోకస్ చేసి వాళ్ళ యొక్క హెల్త్ ఎలా ఉంది, హైట్, వెయిట్, ఓకే, మిడమ్ సర్కంఫరెన్స్, దే ఆర్ సఫరింగ్ విత్ ద ఎనీ protein, energy, malnutritious diseases. Okay, like that they are checking and they are giving some health education to the people and they are providing some alternates. Okay, for example, they are supplying some weaning foods like through the Anganwadi they are giving some type of food by the government. Okay, some milk, egg, okay, some type of cereals or some okay food should be provided for the poor people for improving their health status, for prevention of nutritional diseases. Okay, this is the first goal of the millennium development. Next, second goal. In this second goal, that is the achievement of universal primary education. Okay, what is the primary education is there? Okay, the primary education we are providing for the preschoolers. Okay, for the children of preschoolers who is there, okay, the mother is going to do the some work, okay, some agriculture work or some employment, whatever it may be. Okay, all are big people or some old age people or sometimes the grandfather or grandsons or guardian not available. Okay, then the children will be safe in the primary school education. Okay, why? Because in primary schools some attenders will be there. Okay, they are give special care to that particular children. Okay, for successful implementation of primary education. Okay, next third goal is the promote gender equality and empower women. Okay, what is that gender equality? Means males and females are equal in the society. Why? Because male also human being, female also human being. Okay, we are providing equal opportunities to the male and female, or girls or boys, all are equal. Okay, girl child and boy child all are both are eligible for education, eligible for employment. Okay, eligible for whatever it may be. Okay, what opportunities we are providing for the boys, that opportunity is eligible for the girls also. Okay, next we are improving the women empowerment. What is the women empowerment? In women empowerment we are strengthening the women by providing some guidance, some counseling, some opportunities. Okay, for doing their job or for reaching their educated goals, so we are giving some empowerment to the women, for strengthening of women. Okay, they are having some desires, okay, for doing some employment or they are having some type of needs that will be fulfilled by these millennium development goals.